Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Megan with Simply Megan Plans, and in today's video I am planning for the week of October 2nd through the 8th, and I'm using these Squad Girls Love Every Season sticker books. So I have the big huge one right here that is like the Mambi sticks, really big stickers. Then I also have the other two books. So one is like the regular book, and then the other one has mostly all boxes. So that is what I'm going to be using, all three of those. I am inserting a dashboard layout this week, and I pulled it out of an old planner from a different year. I think it was last year, and it's going to be from May because the days started at the 2nd, so the numbers all match up. So the only thing that I have to change is the month. So I'm going to go ahead and pull out from Handwritten Plans the word October, so I can just stick it right up there, and then it works perfectly. I have a couple things going on this week. So we have a wedding at the beach on Saturday, so I went ahead and put that down. Then I'm also going to find where it says packing list, and then I can put that perfectly in this box with all of the bullet points. So perfect spot for me to make a list. And then the rest of that left page, I can decorate. I can put like a big, huge, long running to-do list, which I did in that orange box, and really create that left page to be super functional for my week. So I'm going to have that packing list, but then I'll also have my running to-do list. I will also be making a grocery list, and then probably up in the top corner of the right page where it says Monday through Sunday, I like to use that for all sorts of different things, but specifically this week, I'm going to end up labeling it clean and me time. So each day I'm going to have a specific area that I am going to clean in the house, and then also have a specific thing that I'm going to do for like me time. So since I became a stay-at-home mom, I have been focusing on one area to clean at least every single day. So far, Tuesdays have been like my off day where I'm able to like get out of the house, maybe go meet up with a friend, so on and so forth. But so far, that's been what's been going on. So that's what I decided to use for that top box for this week, but we'll see what happens. So other than that, the rest of the week I am putting a couple boxes here and there, but like overall Thursday and also Friday and a little bit of even Wednesday, there's really not a ton going on throughout the week. So I'm kind of leaving it open so I can fill it in as I go, which is most of the time what I end up doing anyways. But this is going to be it. I really like the way that it turned out. I love the dashboard layout. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and I will talk to you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.